Good morning, everyone. Here we go again. We're going for another trip again. 1 week in Perugia, Italy. And here we are. We start our riding of the bus to Stansted. And then riding. Sige, sige. Hello, hello, travelers. There's the crew coming. Hello, hello. There's the station, Stratford, Westfield. There we go. Now we're here at airport, Stansted Airport. Waiting for the flight, 11. Now it's only 8:30, so it's a long wait. Yes, all the gate, duty free. Yes, all the bar, restaurant. That's your food. Pudi. Thus you can see a flag which is not there, and Karen John said is say relax. So we are relaxing. Relaxing. Back. Boarding now. Boarding. Oh, another plane there. Our plane. One more plane here. Another one there. Umbria International Airport, San Francisco de Assisi Airport. Arrival. Ecotour.
Super is main church.
No, it's apartment. Yeah.
Apartamento.
Hi!
Apartamento. Dito na naman tayo.
Parang Pilipinas.
Nag-ano na naman kayo ha? Namasyal?
Wala nang lalo kundi ba siya.
Namasyal na naman kayo. Nandito kayo ngayon sa Umbria International.
Umbrella na to.
Ano, alam niya? Taxi, taxi. Taxi, taxi. Perugia. This is a small airport. Ito yung aming apartment. Nandito na kami sa Perugia. Yan ang aming apartment. No? Number 5. Yan, mag-ano kami daw, shopping. Ito yung area ng apartment namin. Yan o, ang ganda. Bago. Brand new. Brand new apartment.
It's good for one.
Ha?
Payo.
Bakit?
Init eh. It's good for one, oh.
Wala naman kayo sa Pilipinas. Papayong pa kayo.
Sinasamahan ko lang si Kuk. Ang galing itong mga inchik na to, ba't nagpapayong? Oo nga eh. Sa kanila, mahal na mahal nila yung araw eh. Alam mo, hindi na ngayon. Marami na rin na hindi na. Sa atin nga, dyan sa nila, wala rin nakapayong eh.
Ganda ng bulaklak.
Apartment din siguro.
Parang very quiet, ano?
Yeah. Very quiet.
Very quiet road. Kaliwa daw, market, kanan, church.
Parang avocado ito.
Hindi
para.
Ayan yung church. So we go on the left. Go on the left. The market.
Ibang-ibang
Oh, another flower.
flowers, beautiful, pink and white.
Pink and white. Okay, market is there. Look like that building there.
One there.